Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my blog. It's your girl, Clouds Dime. If you guys are new here to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below. So today we're going to do another sneaker unboxing. And here what I have here today is the Jordan 7 Retro Sapphire. They will be releasing on Sneakers app and some retailers in the US on April 16. Yes, guys, you heard me right. And what I have here right now is a size 10.5. This is already pending sold because my client who bought a lot of pairs to me just ordered this pair, and he told me that, hey, I need a pair of this. So when I see it on the Twitter, which is, I want you guys to follow them in Twitter, Soul Links, and then the sneaker Twitter, they always giving a lot of infos and a lot of early pairs links so we can buy shoes. So you don't have to join some cook groups or some groups on Discord that, you know, copying shoes. So you don't have to do that. So if you guys, you can follow them. So this is an early pair of the Jordan 7 Retro Sapphire. And this is the box. As you guys can see, I think this is like a gray box. And then there's white Jumpman logo in here with the Jordan print here, which is blue, and then pink air on the print, as you guys can see. So this is really basically the color of the Jordan 7 Retro. So let me unbox. I'm not gonna show you the printed receipt or something because the address is here. So I don't know if you guys could see it, but here's the box, like the typical Jordan paper on the shoes, like the gray cement on it. So here's the Jordan 7 Retro. I already did the unboxing video and I will show it to you guys here also. So here's the Jordan 7 Retro Sapphire, Jordan 7 colorway. As you guys can see, there's blue, pink, and then gray, and then black. The material they use is, I think, nubuck something, like really a fine type of suede, which is normal, like what they use on all of their Jordan 7. And then there's like mesh type here, mesh, like, and then you see the inside with blue, pink, and black. I think this is also good for women's, but though it's a men's sizing, but women's can also rock these shoes. And then there's black Japan logo on the upper and with the mesh also. So this shoes is really detailed, like the color blocking was so nice, like what I've always said to my video. And then on their tongue, there's also, it's a blue tongue. It looks like a Jordan 6 for me, but it's a Jordan 7. I think the difference are this is more like the tongue for the Jordan 7 is like more of like, you know, I don't know, but they don't have extra laces, but it's okay because the laces that comes with it is already matches the shoes. So it's like soft here, the tongue soft, and the Jordan printed, and then of course there's a pull tab on the back, which is really complement the style or the colorway. It really complements the black here. They did a good job on that, and plus the 23 on the back. Actually, I want a pair of this. Since they're releasing on April 16, I might get one for my personal pair because I really like the shoes. You know, I'm not really a fan of the Jordan 7 colorway, but on this one or on this color, I might get one because I really like it. So, and then the material, it's so nice, like, you know, and then the color in the tongue really um matches all the color. They all complement, they complement all the colors. So hope you guys can get this. Don't sleep on these shoes because I believe that this will go up. I'm 100% sure because of the cleanliness of this colorway. So this is really a dope colorway. Don't sleep on these shoes. So that's the short unboxing for you guys. And I'm sorry, I'm not really a good in shoes. I'm not really familiar to unbox or to tell all the materials. Especially I'm not good on speaking on this language. I mean, so hard for me right now. I'm still trying my best. I just want to speak in this way so all of my viewers will better understand me instead of saying on my Tagalog languages. So hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and thank you guys for watching, and I hope I could do more videos about sneakers and also about my daily life. You know, it's really a tough year for us, and I'm really happy to all of my new subscribers, or I mean new subscribers. If you guys want to purchase some sneakers, you guys can follow me on my IG at CJ Sneakers Collection. I also have Facebook page. You can also follow me there. Just search up CJ Sneakers Collection. So hope you guys enjoy my short video, and don't sleep on these shoes. Like, this is a great shoes and that you guys need to have in your life. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next vlog. Peace.